So here's something interesting. As I was about to install this on my lawnmower, I noticed that the edge here is not even an edge. It has a little bit of I don't even know what to explain. It's just not an edge. It's not a cutting edge. I don't want this to be a whacker. I want this to be a slicer. So I figured I'd whip out the camera and share with you guys how I'm going to do this side. I already did this side, but it's not completed. I start off here doing it with the belt grinder, then here is the curves, as you can see. Can't get that with that machine, so I started grinding it with the angle grinder. Took away this powder cone section here and started grinding this area. You can see all the burrs here. I'll finesse this, but figured I'd whip out the camera, get this side to match that side, and then I'll finalize it, get a nice edge on there, some similar to this section up here, as you can see. Let's see if I can get that. Yeah, who knows? It's not gonna focus, but I'll show you that at the end. But you can see that side is a lot better than, where is it? Right here, look at this thing. See if it goes. Yeah, there you go. So you see that? It's not even an edge. It's just rolled over. I can't believe that. You're gonna sell a blade like that? Here's what I'm gonna do. Here's this side I did. As you can see, it's a tiny little burr, and definitely a lot better. So, let me get to it, get this over with, get this installed. By the way, this is a blade from Craftsman. Here's the model number, fit the 21-inch mower deck. There you go. Let's get it. Alright guys, so I'm about to begin. As you can see, I don't have my safety guard on here. Always wear gloves, some leather, as in like a leather apron, your safety goggles, the whole 9 yards, because I've seen firsthand my friend almost lose his thumb with this thing snapping and hitting him right on the thumb, and he wasn't wearing gloves. So that wasn't a pretty sight, but shout out to you, man, if you're watching. Those were the good old days. Anyways, let's get right into it. tune that edge. As you can see, all kinds of burrs sticking out. Right there. And get this thing nice and razor sharp. Just the way I like it. Yeah, let's do it. There you have it. Way better. I'm satisfied with that. It doesn't have to be pretty as long as it's functional. And it's a lot better than what it was. That was ridiculous. Now time to install it. Oh yeah. Alright, time to install this pig. Got the tools, metric, standard, little sledgehammer. Now, hope I don't get in the way in the shop. You notice nowadays, everyone and their mother has got a videotape themselves doing a project so they can go viral, right? What world we live in? What kind of world we live in? Alright, let's see if this is gonna be metric. No, it's gonna be standard maybe. Now, I gotta be careful because this shit is sharp as well. Wait. Maybe going. Managed to loosen her. Nice.
We have with us tonight Dr.